Just sitting here in my Subaru with my handbrake up. I'm not in gear, just hanging out, you know what I'm saying. Just hanging out peacefully. Without my seatbelt on! So let's turn this sucker off in an '06 Subaru Forester. Should work for most Subarus, at least of this era. Key into the on position. No need to start the engine. Seatbelt, latch and unlatch 20 times in 30 seconds. Alright, that was 20. Turn it off, key out of the ignition, put it back in, back to the on position. Should only yell at you once, and then it disappears for good. And that's how you turn off the seatbelt chime in a Subaru. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button.